Thermometer not working in your Ninja Double Oven? Fix it fast. The built-in Foodie Smart Thermometer only works if it's connected and placed correctly. Here's how to check setup and get accurate readings. Step 1. Plug it in fully. The thermometer jack is on the control panel. Push the connector in firmly until it clicks. If it's loose, the display won't register the probe. Step 2. Insert the probe correctly. Slide the metal tip into the thickest part of the food past the safety line etched on the probe. If it's too shallow or touching bone, readings will be wrong or not register at all. Step 3. Route the cord the right way. Always drape the thermometer cord over the top of the door before closing. Never pinch it in the hinge or along the sides. Closing it wrong can damage the cord and stop it from working. Step 4. Select a function that uses the probe. The thermometer works on cook modes like bake, convection bake, roast, and air roast. It won't activate on quick modes like toast or broil, so make sure you've picked the right function. Step 5. Keep the probe clean and dry. After use, wash the metal end gently in warm, soapy water and wipe dry. Never immerse the cord or connector, and never run it through the dishwasher. Built-up grease can block accurate sensing. I've linked a pack of soft cleaning cloths I use in the description. They're perfect for wiping down the probe safely. If your thermometer still won't register after these checks, contact Ninja Support using the link in the description before your next cook. If this helped you get your probe working again, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need probe-safe cleaning cloths, I've linked the ones I use below. Lint-free, non-abrasive, and safe for the cord and sensor tip. Thanks for watching, and cook to temp, not guesswork.